Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this video lesson. In this lesson, we are going to see how to invoke a package with the contents of the package in another file. So we have created a package which we called mux package, and there is also another file in normal VHDL module which we called use mux. Okay, this is use mux. Now I want to start this lecture by removing the use mux from this muxlib library. Both the use mux and the mux package are contained in the same library called muxlib. In our previous video, I showed us how to create this kind of custom library. So now let's go to use mux, come down here and go to properties, scroll down, go to muxlib under library and click and change it, or you can go to general, go to this icon of the library, then expand from here and choose the default library, which is Xilinx default library, and click OK. So when you do that, the use mux file, that is use mux module, will go under the Xilinx default library here. So I want to separate the two files so that they belong to different libraries. Okay. All right, so now let's open the file, the use mux library, the use mux file. This is our mux package file. This is our use mux file, which is going to use the package. Okay. All right. Now let's start by saving the content of the mux package because we have finished implementing what we want. So just save it, like pressing Ctrl X, Ctrl S, or just clicking the save button here. So when you do that, Vivado will update. And when you come here to hierarchy, it's still updating. So when you come back to hierarchy, you will only find the use mux file only. And where is the mux package? The mux package is no longer under hierarchy. So this is one thing you should know. Once you create your package file and save it, it leaves the hierarchy pane. But if you come to the library, you still find it directly under the library which it belongs to, which is in our case muxlib library. Okay, so this is our file. All right, let's proceed. So look at what we are going to do now. To invoke the mux package with its content, we are going to type something that looks like the one we have here. All right, so let's go down a bit. Library mux package, then use mux, yep, no, library muxlib, sorry, muxlib, then use muxlib dot. So when you see this expression, use IEEE dot standard logic 1164 dot all. What it means is that IEEE is the library harboring this file, and this file, standard logic 1164, is a package inside the IEEE library. And then .all means that you are invoking all the attributes of the package, all of them. Okay, so that's what we're going to do here also. So .mogs package.all. All right, so we have invoked our package together with the library it belongs to. Now we are going to modify our port here to reflect the structure of the function we are going to invoke. We are going to invoke the function of a 4x2 multiplexer, as we saw here. So this is 4 inputs and 2 select inputs. So 4x2. So what do we do? Okay, let's say that this input, let's call it X, then standard logic vector, it is going to be 3 down to 0 as well. Then the next one is select. Remember, it is input. Then this one is also going to be an input. Then standard logic vector. This time around 1 down to 0. Then the next one is now going to be the output. So it will be out and of type standard logic, only that. So now we are going to have input, you have 4-pin input, 2 for select, and one pin output, which we call Y. All right, by so doing, our entity now has the same structure as the function we're going to invoke from mux package file. Then we go to the architecture, and then we say begin. Now, to invoke our function, we simply say y. What is the name of the function? It is called myfunc1. myfunc1. Give it these input values x, x, and s. Okay, and end it with a semicolon. So we have invoked the function. So you see how simple it is right now, and that is how you continue to invoke it in your subsequent files wherever you want to invoke the function. All right, let us try something. Let's save this file and see what happens. Okay, the file saved. Okay, it's still updating. Yeah, it has saved, and there is no complaint anywhere. But let us come over to our library and comment it. Okay, now there is a complaint here. an error has occurred. It says mux lib is not declared. Okay, then let's come down to our function where we called our function. There is also an error. My func is not declared. Can you imagine? So why is it behaving like that? Because you have commented out the library. In other words, also, if you comment the where we use the library and the package together, still there will be an error message down here saying my func1 is not declared. So you can see that this declaration here actually has a very serious effect on our codes. All right, so they must be declared in order for you to use any of the attributes of the package. So now that we have removed the comment again, the code is back to normal. There is no more error. So this is how to invoke the contents of a package in a VHDL package file. All right. Okay, so let's save our file again. And in our subsequent video, we're going to run some checks like synthesis and simulation and so forth. Okay, we're going to take ourselves gradually through this project until we get to the end of it, where the project begins to run and we see the result. So thank you very much for watching this video, and if you are pleased by what we do here, please consider subscribing and also give our video a thumbs up and share it to your friends and colleagues. Thank you very much and do have a nice time. See you in our next video. Bye.